Yes! Yo, baby! Woo! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody. Hope everybody's doing well in YouTube land. I am here at the Outcast Club waters with my buddy Zayd there in the background, and we are fishing off those beautiful little blue pontoon kick boats there on the water. It's been a while since I've been on the kick boats, and I've had a couple of guys sending me messages asking when I'm going to be out on the kick boats again. I know the kick boat videos are popular and the guys love it. So yeah, hopefully we can get onto some awesome fishies here at the Outcast Club waters. The waters are looking beautiful, look at that. Mirror image water. It is a bit chilly this morning. Our fingers are quite numb just from setting up, but I think it's going to warm up nicely. And I think we're going to get some good fish. Cross my fingers. Let's see how it goes, and keep watching and catch you on the water. Water's not as cold as I thought it was going to be, unless my feet are just numb and I can't feel anything, but it's not too bad. I've seen a couple of fish swim around already, so yeah, going into these pockets. Let's see what I can find up there. Oh, there we go, right in the shallow. I knew it. Yo! Froggy, bro. Froggy in the shallows. Yes! Woo! Froggy, froggy. Hey? Decided to throw the frog right inside the grass. Right in there! Deep in the deep stuff. With the camera, but 1.15. Nice. Woo. That was cool. The wind's picked up a bit. It keeps blowing you into the corners, but yeah, it's been quiet. Had a good bite earlier on there, and not another bite. And one of my tips on my rod has come loose. Some of my rods are actually getting older, and I have to start getting myself some new rods, but getting the funds for these babies are not easy. Yeah, if there's anyone who wants to sponsor, wants me to do any reviews on rods and send me some rods, email me. I'll never say no. Zayd there with a nice fishy. $1355. Well done. 1355. I see it. 1355. Well done, dude.
Daddy will get you long enough.
Yay! Well done, bruh.
That was a nice one. On the Bandito bug. Natural.
Guggen. Well done. Fish you better net that, boy. That's a big fish. Does he look big, bro? If I touch that line, dude, you're gonna snap that line. You need to try and get it in there. There, it's coming towards you. Real. Woo! There's coming. Get your net ready. Oh my word, that's a big fish. Oh, yes!
Oh baby!
Woo! Show the camera. It's been recording on you the whole time. There we go. 1516 then, bro. Yo!
We just made it. This thing was gonna come off.
Yeah. Hey?
It was a good fight. Take a photo first, Mitch.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
1515.
Nice. Well done. Told you about 1516. You're right. Well done, what a catch. Hey, how's that catch that he caught there? 1.55, 1.515. Either way, 1.5 fish right there. He's caught 2 of the bigger fish today. I've only managed a 1.1 and that's more this morning. What a good fight. That was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Hit that thumbs up. Show your support for Zayd. Yeah! That was nice. Bit smaller though, but in the same area, eh? This is the male. You probably caught the female. On the Bandito bug.
Same here.
Woo!
What color did you put on?
Oh yeah! Oh my word! No! Ah! That was a big fish. It hit me twice. Missed the first time, hit me again. Fuck! No, on the frog. Itties frog. Right at the back. It was big, but... oh my goodness. Boom! End of the day, guys, was great fun. We caught a couple of fishies, not a lot, but quality. I mean, they were all nice fighters. We didn't find the 2 kilos that we were looking for, but that time will come, eh? Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, check out the new caps, Best TV, the white one there. If you guys dig it, send me an email. Oh, that's rough. Yeah, and then can sort you out. Anyways, guys, have a good one and catch you guys on the next episode. Peace.